Have you ever wondered how clinical trial data is organized for drug approvals? Today, we're talking about SDTM, the Study Data Tabulation Model, and why it's essential in the world of clinical research. SDTM stands for Study Data Tabulation Model. It's a standardized format used to organize clinical trial data so it can be easily understood, shared, and analyzed. Think of it as a structured way to store patient and study information, ensuring consistency across trials. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need SDTM? Well, SDTM's importance stems from several key factors. First, it ensures consistency across all clinical trials, making data comparison seamless. Second, regulatory agencies like the FDA require SDTM for drug approval submissions. Finally, it allows researchers and statisticians to efficiently analyze and compare data from different studies. SDTM works by organizing data into different domains, which act like labeled folders for specific types of information. Think of SDTM as a well-organized library. Each book or data point is placed in a specific section or domain based on its topic, making it easy to find and analyze the right information. Let's explore some of the main SDTM domains. We have special purpose domains like DM, demographics, which contains basic patient details, and CO, comments, for study-related notes. Then there are intervention domains, such as EX, exposure, for drug administration details, CM, concomitant medications, and SU, substance use. Moving on, we have event domains, which record notable occurrences. These include AE, adverse events, for side effects, CE, clinical events, for other significant medical events, DS, disposition, for patient status, and MH, medical history, for past illnesses. Next, we have findings domains which contain observational data. This includes LB, laboratory test results, VS, vital signs, EG, electrocardiogram results, PE, physical examination, SC, subject characteristics, QS, questionnaires, and FA, findings about. We also have trial design domains, which cover study design and setup. These include TA, trial arms, TE, trial elements, TI, trial inclusion-exclusion criteria, TD, trial disease assessment, and TS, trial summary. Note that the TD domain is typically applicable for oncology trials. Finally, there are relationship domains like RelRec, related records, which connects data sets that need to be linked together. For a full list of SDTM domains, please visit the SDTM official website. To summarize, SDTM is essential for organizing clinical trial data, ensuring regulatory compliance, and making research more efficient. In upcoming videos, we'll take a deep dive into specific SDTM domains and how they work in real-world clinical trials based on my personal work experience. Before closing today's overview, I would like to share my experience in working on SDTM. In my past studies, analyst team members require extensive training on structuring SDTM datasets from raw data and created those data using SAS primarily, while statisticians primarily focus on reviewing. Therefore, it's crucial for statisticians to understand the SDTM framework. In some companies, even if SDTM work is outsourced, the ability to review SDTM datasets remains an essential skill. Note that I just mentioned that analyst team use SAS to create SDTM. In another video, I talked about the transition from SAS to R. Please take a look at the video if you are interested. Alright, this is all for this tutorial video. Thank you for your time and attention. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on clinical trials and biostatistics. See you next time.